This is a quick video. I have a FLA Saturn 2 4x4 CNC on the way. When I was researching buying this FLA machine, I couldn't find too much about it online. There is there are forums and other places, but especially on YouTube, not a lot going on. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to document the whole process and put it up on YouTube. This platform needs to be really strong. The freight ticket came in at, I want to say, 720 pounds. So she weighs at least 600 dry. That's why I spent a lot of time on the joinery on this platform, try to make it rigid. It's all glued and screwed. Built it with just a skill saw and a table saw. I'll throw up a few pictures if I can find them. But let me bring you in real close. The platform right now is sitting about 3 inches below where it should be. That's because we haven't installed these yet. So I'll bring you in, I'll give you a close shot on these. So these are the feet we're going to install. As you can see, they're quite beefy, all steel, except the wheel. I don't think I'd want a steel wheel on concrete anyway. So these allow you to roll the machine where you need it, raise this platform right here. That'll raise this rubber foot, and that way you can level the machine. Quick note on these. I spent a lot of time trying not to buy them. I want to say they were $80 for the box, which at the time seemed pretty expensive. But it dawned on me that if I'm going to buy a machine that's, what, 5'1" by 5'7", about 600 pounds, 700, and go through all the trouble of building this platform and not put these on there, well, that's just a bad life choice right there. So my point is, if you're going to do anything like this, especially if you're thinking of buying a heavy machine, just go ahead and buy them. I wouldn't put them on a toolbox, but in this case, I would say they're probably going to see, I don't know, maybe less than 200 pounds a foot. So that should be fine. Hopefully, I have the measurements right. I think I do, but we'll find out when the machine gets here. I'm hoping at worst I can just sister 2x6s either inbound or outbound. But again, we'll just have to wait and see. So that's about it for this video. Next video we will probably, I gotta finish putting in the corner braces. Then I'll probably flip it upside down, do a little painting, install the levelers, the feet. Then flip it back up on its feet and finish painting. And hopefully I'll have that done in a couple days.